Meaning of fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Fish and chips is a popular British dish that typically consists of battered and deep-fried pieces of fish, usually cod or haddock, and thick-cut, fried potatoes. The dish is often served with condiments such as tartar sauce, malt vinegar, and ketchup. It originated in the mid-19th century and quickly became a beloved comfort food across the United Kingdom and beyond. Today, fish and chips can be found in countless restaurants and takeout shops around the world, and is enjoyed by millions of people each year.